Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this Sharp television. Here's the make and model, business card. Here's the whatever you call this, the pedestal or the base. That's what it looks like. Alright. Here's a picture of the whole television. You have power supply, T-con, and main. First thing we're going to look at is the panel part number, which is this thing right here. The power or the main board is right here. Here's all the inputs. Alright. And here is a part number. Okay. Next thing we're going to look at is the T-con. It's right here. Part number is right there, okay. Power supply is right here, okay. And the part number is maybe this. Oh, here it is. Okay. I guess that would conclude my video. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Please like and subscribe.